English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 29.
Maria is very organized. Her desk is always tidy. Kevin is very disorganized. His desk is always untidy.
The traffic is so bad, it's impossible to get to work on time. I think you've misunderstood what I was trying to say. It's irresponsible to drive faster than the speed limit. It's illegal to park in the middle of the road.
They were so unlucky to miss the train this morning. It's impossible to solve a problem when you don't have all the facts. Her room is so untidy that you can't even see the floor. He's very disorganized, so I always have to check to confirm our meetings. It's illegal to download that movie without paying for it.
Immature. Impossible. Impatient. Disorder. Disagree. Disrespectful. Unacceptable. Unable. Unusual. Irresponsible. Irresistible. Irrational.
They were unable to meet their deadline. You have made a very immature decision. Speeding on the freeway is irresponsible. Playing tricks on your colleagues is unacceptable. I completely disagree with you. Your remarks were very disrespectful.
Roadworks. Traffic jam. Nowhere to park. Accident. Crime. Missed bus. Overcrowded train.
Line.
Queue. Queue. Cancelled trains.
Hello, Julia. It's very unusual for you to be late. What happened?
I managed to get an early train, but it was really overcrowded and it was a terrible journey.
What happened?
The train was full of immature students who thought it was funny to set off the emergency alarm.
Oh, no.
We stopped in the middle of nowhere, and it took the guard forever to deal with the kids and call the police. I got a bit impatient after a while and argued with the guard, who then made me get off the train. Then I had to wait an hour for the next train because it was delayed.
Oh, dear. Coffee?
Yes, please.
I'm stuck in a traffic jam on the highway. Unfortunately, there's been an accident 2 miles south of us. It's impossible to move, and we could be delayed for another 2 hours. The highway was already jammed because of the roadworks. The traffic is so bad that the highway is like an overcrowded parking lot. People are getting very impatient, which I suppose isn't unusual.
End of lesson 29.